Welcome to the Fast Fix channel. My name's Jason, and today we're removing some emblems that the dealership installed on our car. All we need are these three things. Let's get right to work. Grab your standard issue dental floss and tear off a long piece. The dental floss won't damage your paint and does a nice job of cutting through the adhesive. You'll likely break the dental floss a time or two, but it's no big deal. Just tear off another piece and get back to work. If you're having problems getting through the adhesive, you can use a heat gun or blow dryer to help soften it up. I haven't needed to do that, but I'm sure there are cases where it does help. Just use your best judgment, but don't be concerned about any damage. Switching the drill to the high-speed setting. Once the emblem is off, you'll be left with adhesive residue. This can be removed several ways, but I like to use two specific methods. First, I'll hit it with the eraser wheel, which I'll link in the description, and after it looks nice and smudged up, it's time to apply the Goo Gone. Soak a shop towel or cloth and apply the Goo Gone. I let it sit for about 5 minutes before trying to remove the adhesive in order to give it a better chance to work. Okay, it's been at least 5 minutes and I'm using a microfiber cloth to scrub off the now gelled up adhesive. We'll need a couple applications, however, because this stuff can be stubborn. Don't be afraid to use your fingernail or a Teflon tool if you've got one for those really stubborn spots. Pat, pat, pat. Alright, the second application did the trick and nearly all of the adhesive is gone. Sometimes you'll get a shadow image of the emblem, and if that's the case for you, grab a nice cutting wax like this one that I used from Meguiar's. This will remove the shadow and your paint will look good as new. Best of luck with your project, and if this video helped you, please help me and hit like and subscribe. It makes a world of difference. Thanks and have a great day.